from all things at once without thinking twice. And I knew it would catch up and that we would be the ones left behind. The stories I've been told, they never seem to leave my mind.
Hey guys, welcome back to Cora's Cozy Castle, or welcome if you're new. In today's video, I will be giving you guys some cleaning motivation to tackle a space in your home. Maybe you've let it go or neglected it for a while, or you just need a quick tidy. I had fall break last week with my children and husband, so I kind of let things go around our house. I enjoyed our time together. I'll be showing some clips of some of our day trips at the end of the video. We also alternated. We did some house projects, so I can't wait to share that with you guys. My youngest son, Jensen, did get sick towards the end of vacation, so he's been at home with me, and as soon as I can get him healthy and feeling better, I will be filming my fall home tour. You guys will see a little bit of a sneak peek of some of my decor as I clean throughout today's video. But definitely stay tuned for that. And if you guys are new, I would love for you to subscribe and like and hit the notification bell. And definitely leave me a comment down below, because I love getting to get to know you and talk to everybody. I hope that you guys are well, and I hope you get motivated and enjoy today's video.
Baby, time to figure out what this could be.
As I was watching this video back, I did not realize how much lint I had on my shirt and the little stains I got from cleaning out the dishes. So you guys excuse that, please. But this little tool here is absolutely amazing. I love it. It's about $20. I got it from Target. I'll link it down below. It gets in all the little nooks and crannies, and it just does an amazing job. I also kind of switched things up this time, and I used a white erase marker with the Mrs. Meyer's baking soda cream cleanser, and I absolutely really loved the results, and that is thanks to my friend Ashley over at Busy Little Blondies. I saw her do it, and her sink looked amazing. So thank you, Ashley, for that tip. I changed it up, and yes, I had a lot of gunk on my sink. So anywho, I'm just kind of wiping everything down. I neglected doing this over vacation, so I just wanted to do it throughout all the surfaces in the kitchen today.
Walking through the snow when you're taking my hand. All of those late nights on your couch when we just talked until midnight. I just wish I could freeze this moment, babe. Weeks and months and years they passed, and I knew it wouldn't last. When tears streamed down my face, my mama said, all the nights that end in heartbreak gonna pay off someday. And the pain that you're feeling gradually fades away, 'cause growing up, falling in love, giving your all might not be enough. Just trust your head and your heart, that's what my mama said. Weeks and months and years they passed, but then I found something I knew would last. Just like my mama said.
If you guys have been around for any period of time, you guys know that I do not really decorate my kitchen. I have very few pieces. Now, this mirror I scored at the Pottery Barn outlet. You guys know my favorite place, $9. I have been watching this mirror be priced at $300 for I don't know how long now, and I got it for $9, and it is heavy. So the reason that it's here is because I'm planning to put it up in my son's bathroom, but we need to paint the bathroom. So I thought, well, I'll just prop it up right here and just leave it right there for now. So that's why that's there. I didn't want you guys thinking that was like part of my decor. Now the little sign is definitely something I have out, but that's not exactly where that goes either. But for today's video, I just wanted to come on and tell you guys that because That was an awesome deal, and I can't wait to hang it up, and I'm excited to share with you guys the upstairs and Britton's room and his bathroom coming up shortly.
I got this boy on my mind that I can't live without. Oh, his eyes are killing me. And he keeps talking about everything that he likes, and I can't stop listening. I'm thinking about him all the time. I'm thinking about him all the time. I'm thinking about him all the time, all the time. And my heart's beating fast when he's looking like that. Oh, his smile is killing me. It's the way that he moves and the way that he laughs, so I can't get enough. Thinking about him all the time. I can get him off my...
This drawer right here had gotten out of hand, so I wanted to come back in, clean it all up. Jensen loves giving Bentley and Cora their little treats when they go outside, so that's why it was all spilled, and I thought I need to get in here, clean it out, reorganize it, and kind of... Some of the treat bags were empty. One of them had been left open and all of them were hard. So I need to find a better way to store my dog treats. So I'm looking around. I had a jar sitting out one time. I do like that idea. But if you guys have any other ideas, definitely leave them down below. It felt really good to get this drawer nice and cleaned.
I can be a fighter if you want. All the way that I feel, yeah, I know that it's real, cause I can get him out of my head. I don't care what we do, everything's feeling new. Even if we stay in bed, my heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. You know I want him, nah, 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 nah. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. I told him I can be a fighter if you want. I'll be there to catch you if you fall. I can make it brighter when it's dark, when it's dark. I told him I would do it all for you, and I know you do it for me too. I can be a fighter if you want, if you want. Yeah, I can be a fighter. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want. Yeah, I can be a fighter. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want. I ought to sing, yeah, yeah, yeah.
I had to show you guys one more shot of that candle because it smells amazing. It's not real strong burning. It's not as strong as the Bath & Body Works. I purchased it from a store called Pop Shelf. Those are brand new stores that are popping up everywhere. I saw Do It on the Dime Catherine go to one a long time ago. We did not have any in Georgia. Now we have one and they're coming everywhere. So check your area because it is a really neat store. Jeff helped me a lot with the laundry last week. He likes doing laundry. I don't know why. I guess it's therapeutic for him maybe. So I didn't have too much. I did about 3 loads total this time. And I have some pillows that are laying on top of the washer that I'm waiting for inserts to come because we have been really working on our upstairs level of our house. I don't show that area a whole lot because it was never really, I guess you could say, up to my personal standards, and it was just kind of a mess. It needed painting. The furniture was just everywhere. We had exercise equipment, but we finally, after working on this room for probably 2 to 3 weeks, and that's the reason I was going back to Pottery Barn, is to get the finishing touches for that room. But now it is finally come together, and so every single room up there has been painted except for Britton's bathroom. So I'm excited to share that with you guys. I'm really enjoying just having that space done.
I'm open wide. I don't feel like waking up without you by my side. I still see your silhouette. Why don't we go back to your bedroom?
I I'm in Jensen and Asher's bathroom. I'm just giving the bathrooms a quick wipe down. I will be moving over into my guest bathroom. I will just kind of be giving it, like I said, a real quick wipe down, not anything real drastic. If you don't like watching toilets, please fast forward through this. I definitely am not a glove wearer, so if you don't like that, just fast forward on through. I look at toilets as changing really dirty diapers. You kind of just deal with it, and then you just wash your hands really, really good after. So, anywho, I'm just going to move in here. I did not get a shot of me sweeping the floor in here. I don't know where that footage went. I guess I just did not hit record. So I will show you what I collected from the floor, but I did not do that. Now I will go through with my crosswave later on, not in this video. So I'm not going to mop. I'm just going to give it, like I said, a nice little wipe down and a good vacuum or good sweep.
Show me what it's like to be circling among the clouds. Because without you by my side, I would be stuck here on the ground. You're lighting up the way, I can see the road ahead of me. I won't be stumbling in the dark. Your eyes are shining like the stars. I was down until you saved me, until you set me free. My eyes were closed, now I see clear as day. And I just wanted to say that you can take me high. Feels like I can fly. You can take me high.
Now this is our guest bathroom. Again, just a quick wipe down. I'm not going to get all into the shelves. I wiped a lot of that off when I went through and did my fall decorating. I am not very good at clean and decorate with me because I move stuff around constantly. So that's just really hard on my OCD to film a video. So that's why I kind of have done things the way that I did with showing you some deep cleaning. And then I will do a fall home tour when I'm able to have the house all to myself. This is our main bathroom for everybody to come to, so I always do a swish and swipe, but I did let it get pretty bad over the week that we were on vacation. So this toilet is pretty bad. I will definitely be going back and doing more of a deep clean, but for today's video, like I said, this is just a house reset. I'm really trying to start the Fly Lady system a little bit more than I was and focus on zone cleaning. So I'll definitely be working those videos more and more into my channel as I kind of get a little bit more of an idea of how I want to structure everything. So anyway, I hope you guys again are having a lot of motivation out of here. Let me know, do you like to deep clean your bathrooms every time you go in, or do you do kind of like what the Fly Lady says, like a swish and swipe?
Feels like I can fly. You can take me high. Feels like I can fly. You can take me high.
You're gone now, will you coming back? Yeah, I know that. Yeah, I know that. You're the traveling kind. It's a known fact.
Finishing up this bathroom, I just want to give it a really good sweep. Now, I showed you guys my crosswave in the last video or the video before, and I absolutely love it, but I do like to come in around the toilets and just kind of use the broom to kind of sweep behind them. Occasionally, I will get back there with a rag because the crosswave does not get into those spaces. So that's what I'm doing today. And then I will be going back, although I didn't in today's video, with the crosswave and giving this really all of my floors a nice, good, deep clean.
Life-changing sensation. Yeah, I feel that.
All right, guys, I'm going to wrap up today's video, finishing up this laundry. I did about 3 loads, like I said. I'm going to fold it and then just take it to each room to put away. I'm not going to show putting it away in today's video, but I hope you guys got a ton of motivation and that you feel like you need to or want to tackle a space in your own home. I appreciate all of the support, and stay tuned because I am going to show you guys. We visited a farm and a beautiful waterfall here in Georgia, so stay tuned for those pictures and video. I, again, appreciate you being here and spending a little bit of time with little old me here on YouTube. I appreciate each and every one of you, and I can't wait to talk to you guys in the comments. Have a wonderful day, and I can't wait to see you in the next one. Much love always. Bye.
I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be your destination. You're gone now, but you're coming back. Yeah, I know that. Yeah, I know that. You're the traveling kind, it's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. I hope I'll be your destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall. What's it like to be the one that he turns to when his silence? What's it like to be the one that he comes to when he wants to